Thank you all for joining us back here at Edwards Audio. I'm sure you've been missing the fantastic 80s music that we've been playing recently and wondering what we've been up to and why we haven't been playing any. So, to make it up for you, today we're going to play some, yet again, wonderful music from the 80s. And the track that I'm going to play for you is from 1982. And it's this LP. It's not an LP, it's a 12-inch. What am I talking about? It's from Wah. Do you remember that? The Story of the Blues. So this was released in 1982. This band actually had quite a few different names at different times in its history. It was JF Wah, the Mighty Wah, but I think this was actually released as just Wah. Even though on the front cover, if you can see there, it does say JF Wah, but I'm sure it was just Wah when it was released. And this single, and this 12-inch, reached number 3 in the UK singles chart. So it was quite successful for the band. They did have a couple of other sort of minor hits that we might recall, but apart from that, they really were, I would probably class as a one-hit wonder band. But that is the track I'm going to play for you today, and I hope you enjoy listening to it. Let's go and put the turntable on, shall we? It's the Dual CS440. Let's have a listen together.
Here in my Well, that's my story and I'm sticking to that. So let's have another drink and let's talk about the blues. Blues is about dignity, it's about self-respect. And no matter what they take away from you, that's yours for keeps. I remember how it was, how every medium, the TV and papers and radio and all those people were saying, you're on the scrap heap, you're useless. And I remember how easy it was to start believing that. I remember how you'd hear people take it for granted that it was true, just because someone with an ounce of power said so. And that's a problem now. Too many oddballs, too many pocketbook psychologists and would-be philosophers with an axe to grind. But there's a solution. It's not easy, but it's a matter of coming to terms in your heart with the situation you're in. A matter of choosing how things go for you and not having things forced upon you. There are plenty of forces against you, forcing you against your will, your ideals. You've got to hope for the best, and that's the best you can hope for. You've got to hope against hope. I remember something Sal Paradise said. He said, the city intellectuals of the world are divorced from the folk-bodied blood of the land and are just rootless fools. So listen, when the smile, the condescending pat on the back comes and says, we're sorry, but you're nothing, you've got nothing for us, and we've got nothing for you. You say no, and say it loud. No! Remember, people who talk about revolution and class struggle without referring explicitly to everyday life, without understanding what is subversive about love and what is positive in the refusal of constraint. Such people have a corpse in their mouth.